Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will discuss this important topic, the magnitude or a norm of a vector. So a norm is the second name of a magnitude. So let's start the topic. Find the magnitude of a vector. Let's suppose a vector V is AI plus BJ. Okay, so the magnitude of a vector is represented by this one. This is the unit for vector, magnitude of a vector, and the formula is this one. A square plus B square. Okay, ith component, the coefficient of I square plus coefficient of J square, this one, and then plus and whole square root. This is called the magnitude of a vector. According to this rule, find these questions. First and all, the first question is U is equal to 2I plus 7J. Find the magnitude. This one. Apply the rule according to this one. 2 square of 2 plus the jth component is minus 7. So take square of minus 7. Square of 2 is 4 plus minus 7 square is equal to 49. 4 plus 49 is 53. Square root 53, and then 53 is not a complete square, so the magnitude of a vector is this one. Okay, so similar this one. The second question is U is equal to I plus J, and similarly the previous question, here I plus J, it means both have the coefficient of 1, so it means the 1 square plus again 1 square. 1 square means 1 plus 1 square root, which is equal to square root 2. Okay, I hope so you understand this one. And then next, now the third part. The third part is, students, an other notation for vector. This one, 3 minus 4. So 3 minus 4 in a square bracket. This is the other notation for of a vector, which is equal to this one. 3 minus 4 means 3I plus and 4 minus 4J. Okay, this one. This is the same. Both are equal. So according to rule of magnitude, 3 square plus minus 4 square. 3 square means 9. Negative 4 minus 4 means plus 16. 9 plus 16, 25. And square root 25 means 5. This one. Okay, so these are the three parts of a different type of vector to find magnitude. And the next, now the last and then fourth part. In this vector, this is a three-dimensional vector, I, J and K. Okay, so this is not a difficult or different method. Similar to this question, the u is equal to 2i 3j plus k. In this vector there are the three components, it means the three dimensional, so the magnitude is square root of 2 square minus 3 square and 1 square. Simply. And 2 square is 4, minus 3 square means 9 and 1 square means 1. And then whole square root and it becomes the 14. Square root 14. See this. So it's very simple question. Find the magnitude or the norm of a vector. I hope so you understand this formula as well as all these 4 questions. But if you have any problem, then you can mention in comments. If you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.